Look, this is a typical PV inverter system. But if the customer wants to add a new energy storage system, the installer might run into some issues when installing the CT, such as CT phase sequence, orientation. If even one step is wrong, debugging will become a nightmare. If one small detail is off, they'll have to keep troubleshooting, and it can waste a lot of the installer's time. But don't worry, Fox ESS takes care of that, so our installers don't have to deal with it anymore. Fox ESS has launched a new feature. With just a tap on the app, the system automatically identifies the CT scanner's orientation, phase sequence, and number of connections, and automatically adjusts it to the correct state. Installation now only requires one thing: clip on the CT scanner. The rest, leave it to the system. Installation is no longer a matter of trial and error. It's gone from hours of debugging to a minute-long process. Fox, we always provide the best to our customers, considering the last step for you.